Can you see yourself in the 2013 Chevrolet Suburban? With less than 150,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The iconic family hauler keeps getting better, while the Suburban's refined luxury and state-of-the-art technology keeps passengers comfortable and connected. Its muscle quietly gets the tough jobs done. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, power liftgate, heated rear seat, premium sound system, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, fog lamps, remote engine start. Make the most of the growing years. Get into the Suburban and live large.